Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim the reward, online reward in a gym star simulation. This is a video that I made for beginner, for new, our first day player of this game. So here, in order to claim the reward, see there is a gift icon. Reward ready, it means you can claim the reward now. So this is online reward. All you have to do, just leave the game, play the game without doing anything, and let the time give you the reward. So here, let's claim 100 of money, claim the chest, 100 chest, protein bars, 100 abs, energy drink, and also back. And now we got mythic seal. This is a pet, and arms, essential oil, 500 leg, and we need to wait this free spin and bodybuilding cat. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the button below. See you in the next video.